Everyone's on the move. Gray whales migrate all the way from the warmer lagoons of Baja California, Mexico, to their Arctic feeding grounds every spring. As a result, coastal California becomes a whale superhighway. Luckily, without the typical LA traffic. Over the course of a single weekend, I spotted over a dozen gray whales, all within a mile of the shoreline. And all of them had a single purpose: swim north. For the most part, these whales won't eat again until they reach their feeding grounds in the Arctic. These whales travel around 5 miles an hour and average about 75 miles a day. This means that it takes over 2 months to make it to dinner. That's a long way to go for a meal. While these whales travel to Mexico to mate and give birth, the mothers with their newborn calves usually depart later in the year to give the calves time to mature before the long journey. This explains why we are in the peak of the migratory cycle right now, but so far I have not seen any calves. And they'll be coming later at their own pace. I noticed later in the weekend, these whales seemed to change the path they took along the shore. They were no longer swimming in the shallow water and now seemed to prefer the deeper water past the drop-off. This made it much harder to find and record them since they would appear out of nowhere and then vanish again into the abyss. During a period of just a few weeks, over 20,000 gray whales will travel past our home here in LA. Most people don't even notice these silent giants gliding past as they go about their daily lives. I'm glad I was able to take the time to appreciate this spectacle.